Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Jabra Elite 5. So let's simply put both earbuds inside this charging case and take a look. As you can see, I'm currently connected, and we have to click and hold these two buttons when the earbuds are inside the charging case until they blinks on the purple for a few times. It will take around 10 or 12 seconds. Just like that. As you can see, they blinks on the purple. And right now when I'm gonna take them out of this case and try to get the previously connection, as you can see, I will have the new pairing request. So it means that the previously connection was simply restored to the defaults and it's not exist. So yeah, that's all for the video. Hope you like it.